On-roll job. Electric Vechile Manufacturing Company. Loction Maraimalai Nager, Chennai. Qualification. DIPLOMA, E. Gender male. Pass out 2026. Department Maintenance Technician. Fresher experience. Salary 2,700. 3 shift, 8 hours duty. Benefits. Shift time food provide. Medical insurance. Uniform provide. Cab route Avadi, Ambattur, Koluthur, Tambaram, Guindy, Saidepet, Chengalpattu. Contact 9150042577 9150042565